But here with Jack, Joey, Jim, Josh, the Jays, we're gonna be doing is getting this engine out. We said we want to get it out. We got Nate and Gabby out here. Gabby's gonna help. Nate's gonna provide comic relief today. But we're gonna try to get this out of here. I found a new K member. Probably gonna pick one up just so I can roll the car around. So we're probably gonna end up having to cut some stuff on this one to get this out of here. But it's gonna be a slow process. Maybe we'll get it done, maybe we won't. But we're just gonna keep pressing with what we can get done. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and begin just messing around. So we'll have the cameras going. We got one camera that we're gonna be showing up close and personal. But anyway, yeah, here we go.
Yeah. Sorry, I was like, what?
Turn it. Here, we're gonna push it forward. We're gonna push it towards you, Joey. Spin it. Are we clear of the engine? Are we gonna be clear to come down?
You can come down.
I'm coming down just a hair.
Just testing it. Blooper take number 1. My brother dumped the torque converter fluid out on the ground, but we did get the engine out. It's all tucked away. A lot more footage coming soon. Continue to like and follow.
'Cause my monsters are real.